guys, time has passed since I did painting of the back end of my Nova, and I put that little piece that I was going to use as a test subject for the filler panel, and I put that in the sun, and it's been in the sun every day for a week. So it has gone through the drying process. Obviously it's fully dry, and it's gone through a couple heat cycles, you know, heating and then cooling. I left it outside. The temperature over here went up to 85 at times, close to 90, so it has gotten some serious abuse from the sun. And so now I'm pretty confident in showing and stating that it's looking very good. So I'm going to show you the piece now and do a little bit of bends and stuff and show you the results. Now here's the piece, the filler piece that I painted, and I'll show you what it looks like in the sunlight. So I don't know if you can see some of those metallics. Beautiful color. It has like orange metallics, red metallics. Really nice. So it's painted, and now what I'm gonna do is flex it and do all kinds of things with it. So basically I'm just gonna flex, press it, and do all kinds of things with it. And so far, no cracking, no spider marks or anything. Now obviously the filler panel is not going to go through this type of abuse when I install it, nor will it go through any of this abuse when it's on the car. But I'm doing the extremes here. So now I'm going to just get a nice little straightening and give it a nice little wipe down, and I'm going to put it in the sun so you can see if there's any spider cracks or any indication of damage to the paint. And I don't see any. Very flexible. I'm very pleased with the results of my test. So, you know, it flexes nicely. It just works. Very pleased with the results of this paint. So that gives me the confidence I need to say that it's going to be good for the Nova. So let's see if I can get this focused. So I'm very happy with it. It worked out great. It gives me the confidence I need to put it on the panel and to install it on the car. Very flexible paint. I'm really happy with it. Here's the part out in the sun. This is the inner fender, and I love the way it looks in the sunlight. This is a bigger part, so you can see what it looks like in the sun. Beautiful color. So there's a part in the sunlight. I really like the way it looks.